Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Google Voice for investment lead call routing, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. Type in the URL for Google Voice. Press enter to navigate to the Google Voice homepage. If you're already signed in, you'll see your main dashboard. If not, click on the sign in button located in the top right corner. Enter your Google account email address. Click on the next button. Now, input your password. Press next again to log in. Once signed in, you'll be directed to the Google Voice interface. If this is your first time using Google Voice, you may need to set up your account. Follow the prompts to select your Google Voice number. Choose a number that suits your investment lead purposes. After selecting your number, click on Claim to finalize the process. Once you have your number, you can navigate to the settings. Click on the gear icon in the top right corner of the dashboard. In the Settings menu, find the Call Forwarding options. Here, you can add phone numbers where you want investment lead calls routed. Enter the phone numbers and ensure they are formatted correctly. After updating your preferences, save the changes. You are now set to receive calls from your investment leads. Monitor any incoming calls through your Google Voice dashboard. This setup allows for seamless call routing for your investment needs. Congratulations, you have successfully logged into Google Voice and set it up for lead call routing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.